Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Join me today as we make a cute custom coin purse with my Cricut. First, I designed my vinyl decal in Cricut Design Space, something small and stylish. Now it's time to cut. I'm going to load the vinyl onto my mat. I'm going to hit that magic button and let Cricut do its thing. Now that it's done cutting, I'm going to carefully weed out the extra vinyl, and then I'm going to use my transfer tape to smooth it out and peel it back, and I'm going to apply it to the coin purse. And because I haven't used my Cricut in so long, I feel like I missed a step right here, but I'll figure it out later. I'm going to apply this vinyl to a cute little coin purse that I found in Dollar Tree. And now that I'm done, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.